Hey everyone! Welcome back to Web Success, the channel where we explore digital tools and strategies that actually move the needle for your online business. Let's be honest for a second. We all know we should be running more ads. Ads grow your business. They bring in leads, sales, brand awareness, all the good stuff. But most people avoid ads. Why? Because creating a wide range of high-quality ad creatives and then testing them to see what works takes a ton of time, or at least it used to. Today, I'm showing you an AI-powered tool that lets you create scroll-stopping ads for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more in just a few clicks. No graphic designer needed, no fancy copywriting experience, just you and the AI. That tool is called adcreative.ai, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link your ad accounts with it, set up your brand the right way, create professional-looking ad images, generate powerful ad text with no effort, and avoid the most common beginner mistakes. So if you've ever asked, how do I make better ads faster? Can AI really create ads that convert? Or is adcreative.ai worth the investment? Stick around, because we're answering all that right now. The first thing you'll want to do once you sign up for adcreative.ai is connect your ad accounts. Here's how. Click the profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select integrations from the menu. You'll see options to connect to Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, and even Microsoft Ads. Click Connect Account, sign into your ad platform, and authorize access. Why is this important? Because once connected, adcreative.ai can pull data from your past ads, analyze your performance, and even optimize new ads based on what's already working. It personalizes your creative workflow based on real-world results. Skipping this step means missing out on one of the tool's most powerful features. Next, you need to set up your brand inside the platform. Every ad you create will pull from your brand assets, colors, messaging, and tone. To do this, click Brands from the side menu. Then click Create a Brand. You'll need to enter your brand name, upload your logo, write a brand description, and choose your business type, e.g., e-commerce, local business, tech, agency, etc. Pro tip: add detailed descriptions. The AI uses this input to make your ads more accurate and brand aligned. Once saved, your brand will show up on the dashboard, and you'll be ready to start building ad projects tailored to your identity. Now let's build your first ad creative. Click Create a Project, and you'll be taken to the ad builder. Here's what to do. 1. Choose your format: Instagram Square, Story, LinkedIn Landscape, Google Display, etc. 2. Give your project a name. 3. Fill in your ad details, such as your message, promotion, and offer. 4. Scroll to the bottom. This is important. Fill in the hidden fields. Project description. Target audience. These fields are easy to miss, but they greatly affect the outcome of your generated ads. From here, you can manually write your headline, punchline, and call to action, or use text AI to automatically generate those for you. It takes one click, and boom, the AI gives you multiple options with proven formats and persuasive wording. It's especially helpful if you struggle with copywriting. Step 4. Generate your ad visuals. Now comes the visual side. Once you're ready to create the actual image, click Single Background Image if you want to upload one image, or use Generate Several Posts if you want variations with multiple backgrounds. You can either upload your own product images or use the built-in stock image search engine to find visuals. Select your images and click Create Post. Name the post, e.g., Author Ad, and then click Save and Generate. Important note: if you upload multiple background images, only one preview will show on the screen. To see all the variations, Click Bulk Download after generation. Inside the zip file, you'll find multiple ad versions using each image. Each generated ad comes with a conversion score, so you know which ones are predicted to perform best. Choose the ones you like and either download them individually or bulk download all the top performers in one go. Let's talk about one of the most underrated features of adcreative.ai, text projects. You'll find it in the sidebar. Click Text Projects. Create New. From here, you can generate short headlines, add text paragraphs, listicles, paint agitate solution style content, and even email headlines. You can also choose the tone, like friendly, luxury, professional, confident, etc. Simply enter your product or service name, a description, and a call to action. Hit generate, and within seconds, you'll get polished, platform-ready copy that's persuasive and conversion-focused. No writing blocks, no wasted time. Use this for A/B testing headlines, rewriting underperforming ads, or building out full campaign sets. So, there you have it, a complete walkthrough of adcreative.ai. From connecting your ad accounts to creating amazing visuals and high-performing text, this tool is like having a designer and a copywriter in your back pocket, available 24/7. If you've been struggling to scale your ads or test new creatives without breaking the bank, this is your shortcut. Want to try adcreative.ai yourself? Click the link in the description to grab your 30-day free trial and test it out completely free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Web Success, and comment below. What ad platform do you want me to cover next?